Hey guys, so before we get into showing you how to do all the exercises properly, there's some special considerations I want to give you about training your core and strengthening your abdominal muscles. So the first one is that you should never feel back pain when you're doing any of these exercises. So one of two things are happening if you do feel back pain. One, you're in the wrong position, which is fine, so you just have to play with the position to see if you can get in the right spot so it doesn't bother your back. And two, if it is too hard and you can't get yourself in the right position, then you need to stop and go to an easier progression of the exercise. And there's nothing wrong with that. We just don't want you to hurt your back, and we want you to be at the right level of difficulty so that you can properly improve and strengthen your core. So on the other end of that, you'll know when to increase the difficulty of an exercise. If it's a repetition exercise or an exercise with repetitions, then you can do 12 to 15 repetitions with totally stable hips and without feeling any pain in your back. Or if it's a stationary or isometric exercise where you're not actually moving, when you can do somewhere between 60 and 90 seconds, it means that you're probably ready to increase the difficulty of the exercise. So take care, and Richard will show you how to do the exercises properly in a second.